I love my position and my role here at the Alternative to Med Center. I've been here a number of years and I see day to day the magic that can happen here when people choose to reclaim their life. As the Detox Shop director, I am involved every step of the way at the Detox Shop. I work with folks very closely. I encourage people every step of the way. I meet with them with compassion and understanding and really help people reclaim what they want back of their old self. I make sure that everybody is good mentally and physically before starting the activities of the shop. And while they're doing those services that we offer at the shop, I am encouraging them, I am assessing them, I am overall supporting their success going through our program on a day-to-day basis. People come to us from all over the world to detox, both mentally and physically. And when we see folks come in and do the protocol that we have in place at the Detox Shop, we see people's symptoms reduce, we see people's laughter and joy return, we see quality of life come back, and that encourages people to keep doing what we're offering because they see the difference that it's making day to day. We have found that people come to us with both toxicity and deficiency. So when they arrive to us and they come to the detox program, we give them supplements that convert fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble toxins. Then the person is instructed to exercise. And after exercise, they get into our sauna program. At the end, we do a checkout procedure, and that consists of taking vital signs, checking in with people emotionally and physically, and also giving them minerals, because during this process, you lose what's not good for you, but you also lose some essential minerals. So it's very imperative that we replace minerals at the end during that process. We are exposed to a lot of different things, and as our body accumulates these toxins, we become symptomatic, and those symptoms can range anywhere from depression to sleeplessness to anxiety. And folks come to us because our Western medicine model is medication, and we find that there is a different way and an alternative way. My work history is patient care, and at the Detox Shop I'm able to really utilize all the things that I've learned over the years to work with the clients that come to the Alternative to Med Center. Compassion goes a long way, trust goes a long way, building rapport and friendship. I love everyone that comes through the program because they love themselves to want to better themselves. Our bodies want to be in homeostasis. It wants to be healthy. It wants to be happy. And when we're given the right nutrients and we release and reduce our toxic burden on the body, we improve, and our brain chemistry is rebuilt. Therefore, our sleep improves, our anxiety diminishes, and overall our mood gets lifted.